We love plants. They transform the space and make us happy. Indoor plants are a great option to get beautiful natural environment inside our home. Some plants take more time to grow while some grow quickly, and they transform any ordinary space into special one. In today's video, I will be sharing some eye-catching and fast-growing indoor plants and their growing tips. First on my list is philodendrons. They are great fast-growing indoor plants and mostly philodendron vines. Philodendrons belong to the family Araceae. They can thrive both outdoor in warm climate and indoor as houseplant. This versatility is what makes them so popular. A good example is Philodendron Brazil or lemon lime. Philodendrons are tolerant of dark interiors, but they grow better in medium to bright indirect light. For bright and variegated varieties, I would suggest place them in bright indirect light. I have two different varieties here. This is Philodendron lemon lime and this one is Philodendron Brazil. This one is placed in living room and this is in our balcony, so you can see the variegation. This one has more variegated leaves compared to this. This is Philodendron lemon lime. Look at their elegant vibrant hearts. This is growing effortlessly. Every week I am amazed to see this beautiful growth. This vine works well in hanging basket or can be trained to climb a trellis. For bushy growth, trim their thin growth and use their cutting for propagation purpose. You can put them in moist soil or water just like money plant. These plants have wonderful accent in any home settings. Next is this Philodendron micans, also called velvet leaf philodendron. It's one of the elegant, unique and fastest growing philodendron that I have. It grows rapidly. I started this with very small cutting with 4 leaves. And now look at this growth, almost reaching to the floor, just in a couple of months. It has this gorgeous deep green velvety leaf with bronze tinge, and it's just as easy to take care of as regular heartleaf philodendron. Philodendron micans enjoy bright indirect light. Too much direct light can burn their elegant leaves. Avoid going to any philodendrons and they would be happy. I generally don't water mine until the potting medium has just dried out completely, but not fully dry for an extended time. Velvet leaf philodendrons are the perfect philodendrons for small indoor spaces to add a touch of tropics with unique tone. Another fast growing and unique plant to consider is Philodendron predatum. All philo varieties have beautiful shapes. Look at this unique vine. The foliage pattern is incredible. Like other philodendrons, keep it in medium to bright light. Philodendrons also loves misting. I have done a special video in detail about philodendron care and their varieties. Monsteras are another fast growing plants. They are like gem to have in our home. Monstera adansonii and deliciosa are one of the trendiest plants in urban home decor. Both produce stunning bright green attractively cut leaves. Monstera adansonii can be grown in a hanging basket or trained to climb a trellis. If you want to keep the plant compact, simply prune back the winding branches and use these branches to make more plants. They are super easy to propagate. For Monstera deliciosa, trim off old dried foliage to divert plant energy to produce new healthy big foliage. Keep Monsteras in medium to bright light areas. Water Monstera whenever the soil feels dry to touch. Maintain the humidity around them by misting and fertilize them once in 2 months by adding seaweed solution, or you can add compost. It's important to note that how fast your plant grow is dependent on various factors such as where they are growing, the amount of light availability, humidity, as well as how often you fertilize them. In most cases, the plants that I am sharing today grows faster than some other indoor plants that you might have in your home. If you are looking for the new trendy perfect plant to your plant collection, well, Rapidophora tetrasperma, known as mini monstera, is the right choice for it. This plant is easygoing, fast growing and absolutely adorable. I brought small 2-leaf cutting of this plant last month and its recent explosion of growth has brought me so much joy. It's one of my favorite plants. It thrives in bright filtered light. Indoor it can place close to a window and will even appreciate a little direct sunlight. The mini monstera appreciates being kept moist but not soggy. When the top inch or two of soil feels dry, it's time to give a drink. Like many other houseplants, this plant is sensitive being overwatered. This plant also loves to climb, so you will need to add some sort of support for your mini monstera so it can grow tall and gorgeous. Next, one of my favorite, the spider plant. It is a great air purifying plant as well as fast grower and produces many spider pups, which can be used to make more spider plants. Available in dark green and variegated forms, spider plants make a great tabletop or basket plant indoors. Spider plant like medium bright in direct light but not direct sunlight. This plant doesn't need any extra care, just keep in good light and water whenever soil surface dries. Ferns are one more type of gorgeous lush green indoor plants that grows like a crazy. This beautiful looking plant known for its lush rich foliage. The perfect plant for a bathroom or anywhere it can stay moist. The Boston fern is a great specimen plant for a hanging basket or anywhere the fronds have room to drape. Good for air purifying as well. Boston ferns grow really fast. Boston ferns like bright indirect light, high humidity and appreciate moist soil. One more vine on my list is this beautiful, stunning variegated wax ivy. I just love the charm this vine brings to my home. Wax ivy has shiny leaves that resembles English ivy, but it is quite hardy and carefree plant. But sadly, it is underrated plant. It is a fast-growing vine with this spectacular variegated triangular foliage. Look good in hanging basket or on trellis. Give them bright light and avoid overwatering. Besides this, doesn't need anything. They are also good air purifying plants and help in relieving chronic breathing problems. And this beautiful vine also produces blooms in summer just like daisy flowers. Syngonium is another beautiful and one of my favorite indoor plants. All it really needs is moist surrounding and bit of indirect sunlight. With its beautiful, colorful and interestingly shaped leaves, Syngonium vine transforms any boring space into rich and green in short time. Keep the variegated varieties in bright indirect light and green varieties can be kept in low indirect light areas. And last but not the least, my all-time favorite plant, the money plant, also known as pothos. It is probably one of the easiest and fastest growing house plant. This vine grows insanely fast. In fact, any varieties of money plant grow quickly. You may need to cut back their tips to keep your plant bushy and full. Money plant like indirect light and don't overwater this plant. Allow soil to dry out in between waterings. So these are the plants that I have right now with me. Apart from these, wandering Jew, bamboo, peperomia are some fast grower plants. That's all for today. I hope you like this video. Do let me know which are your fast growing indoor plants in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please guys subscribe to Garden Vibes. And for more green updates, do follow us on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Garden Vibes 14. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, take care and happy gardening.